The AI trading revolution. Your first bot in minutes. No coding skills, no problem. Let's build your first trading bot in 10 minutes using AI. Imagine telling a super smart assistant your trading strategy. Then, like magic, it writes the code for you. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is happening right now. You are about to become a part of this amazing new world. We will explore how AI, like ChatGPT, Grok, DeepSeek, and many others, can help you create trading strategies. I prefer my buddy ChatGPT, but at the end of the day, use whatever works best for you. It sounds complicated, but we will break it down into easy steps. For years, building trading bots was for people with deep programming knowledge. But things have changed fast. Now, with AI, regular folks can get in on the action. We can design, test, and automate trading ideas without writing code. This guide is your first step into that exciting possibility. We're not just talking theory, we're going to do it. Together. Trading involves risk, always. But this is about learning a new skill. It's about understanding how markets can be analyzed with logic. And it's about using cutting-edge technology to help you do it. So, are you ready? Forget any fears you might have about coding or complex financial jargon. Let's go. Your secret weapon. Okay, so we're going to build a trading strategy. To do that on TradingView, the popular charting platform, we need a special language. This language is called PineScript. Think of it like this. If you want to tell your computer to do something, you need to speak its language. If you want TradingView to draw lines on a chart or show you buy and sell signals based on your rules, you use PineScript. It's designed specifically for traders. It's made to create custom indicators and strategies. PineScript is your key to unlocking custom tools on TradingView. Maybe you've seen all those cool indicators people use. Many of those are built in PineScript. And the best part, you can create your very own, or you can tell an AI like ChatGPT what you want, and it can write the PineScript code for you. You just need to understand what it does and how to use the code generated for you. PineScript is relatively easy to read compared to other coding languages. It's a game changer for aspiring traders and analysts. Meet your AI coding buddy ChatGPT to the rescue. Now, let's talk about our super smart assistant ChatGPT. You've probably heard about it. It's an AI, a very advanced computer program created by a company called OpenAI. ChatGPT is amazing at understanding and generating human-like text, but it's not just for writing emails or poems. It can also write code. Yes, actual computer code in many different programming languages. And lucky for us, it knows PineScript. This is fantastic news for anyone who wants to create trading strategies but doesn't want to dive deep into coding right away. How does ChatGPT do this? Well, it has been trained on a massive amount of text and code from the internet. This includes countless examples of PineScript. So when you ask it to create a trading strategy with certain rules, it understands your request. It then uses its vast knowledge to generate the PineScript code that it thinks will best achieve what you asked for. It's like having a programmer friend who is available 24/7, ready to help you translate your trading ideas into functional code. Setting up your TradingView playground. getting started. Before we can use any PineScript code, whether we write it or ChatGPT does, we need a place to run it. That place is TradingView. TradingView is a very popular online platform. It provides amazing charts, tools, and a social network for traders. Many of its features are free to use, which is perfect for us starting out. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to head over to tradingview.com and sign up. It's a quick process, and a basic account will give you everything you need for what we're doing today. Once you're logged into TradingView, you'll see a chart. This is your main workspace. To use PineScript, we need to open something called the Pine Editor. Look at the bottom of your TradingView chart. You should see a few tabs there, like Stock Screener, Text Notes, and yes, Pine Editor. Click on Pine Editor. This will open up a new panel at the bottom of your screen. This is where the magic happens. This is where your PineScript code will go. Section 5. Let's ask ChatGPT, crafting our first simple strategy, prompt. Alright, we have TradingView ready. We know about PineScript. Now, let's talk to our AI coding buddy, ChatGPT. The key to getting good code from ChatGPT is to give it a clear and specific prompt. For our first strategy, we'll use the moving average crossover. Buy when the fast moving average crosses above the slow one, and sell when it crosses below. Let's prompt ChatGPT. Hello ChatGPT, please write a PineScript version 5 strategy for TradingView. The strategy should enter a long position when a 9-period SMA crosses above a 21-period SMA. It should close the long position when the 9-period SMA crosses below the 21-period SMA. Please include a title for the script like My First AI MA Crossover. Section 6. From AI Brain to TradingView Chart. Bringing your strategy to life. ChatGPT has given us a block of PineScript code. Fantastic. Now, we need to transfer this code into TradingView's Pine Editor. This part is super easy. In the ChatGPT window, you'll usually see a copy code button, or you can simply select all the code text and copy it. Control+C on Windows, CMD+C on Mac. Make sure you copy everything, starting from the line that usually says all the way to the end. Now, switch back to your TradingView window where you have the Pine Editor open. If there is any existing default code in the editor, sometimes it has a simple hello world type script. Select all of it and delete it. Then paste the code you copied from ChatGPT into the empty Pine Editor, Ctrl+V on Windows, CMD+V on Mac. Section 7. The moment of truth. Backtesting your new strategy on TradingView. You've added your AI-generated strategy to the chart. You can see the moving averages. You can see the buy and sell signals. This is cool, but how do we know if this strategy is any good? How would it have performed in the past? This is where backtesting comes in. Backtesting is the process of applying your strategy rules to historical price data to see how it would have hypothetically performed. TradingView has a built-in feature for this called the Strategy Tester. This is an incredibly powerful tool for evaluating your ideas without risking any real money. Look at the bottom panel of your TradingView window where you found the Pine Editor. There should be another tab there called Strategy Tester. Click on it. This tab will show you a report on your strategy's performance based on the historical data available for the chart. you're currently viewing, you'll see a whole bunch of numbers and a performance graph. Section 8, Making It Better, a first look into strategy optimization. So, you've backtested your first moving average crossover strategy. Maybe the results were amazing, maybe they were not so great. That's perfectly normal. The first version of a strategy is rarely the best one. Now comes the process of trying to improve it. This is often called optimization. Section 9. Your trading journey has just begun. What awesome steps are next? Congratulations. You've successfully built and backtested your first trading strategy in Pine Script on TradingView. You've peeked into a world once reserved for programmers. Tools like ChatGPT democratize strategy creation. This is just the beginning. Your trading journey has taken an exciting turn. So, what are your next steps? Experiment with the moving average crossover strategy. Try different moving average lengths. Test it on different assets and time frames. See how performance changes. Ask ChatGPT for variations. Try an EMA crossover and compare. Learning comes from doing and observing. Shoot me a like, subscribe, and or comment. If you found any value in the above video, let me know in the comments what you want to learn about next or go more into depth on. Stay up, traders, because if there is anything that I know, it's this: scared money definitely don't make money, and that is for sure.